Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. Today I am going to share with you most profitable Forex and Binary M4 trading system. In this trading system you will not get any buy-sell arrow direction or any audio alert, then how to trade. So let's look trading rules of this indicator. In this video I am showing binary trading setup. For a buy trade setup, 1. Price must close above the 3 moving averages. 2. The 3 EMA is over the 5 EMA. 3. Both histograms are white. 4. Wait for a pullback the 3 EMA. For the actual trigger for the trade, we want to wait for the price to pull back and touch the 3 EMA. Also take care of SNR level. This setup for sell trade will be just opposite to that of buy trade. For binary trading use candle timeframe 1 minute and expiry will be 5 minutes. For Forex trading use 1 day candle timeframe. Stop loss place on 5 EMA and take profit will be 1:1 risk reward ratio. Avoid trading during news release time. Best trading time European sessions and New York sessions. This indicator system can be used on any currency pair. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter. We are going to see one more examples of live trade, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video, so that you can get to know better how to trade with this trading system. Be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. Join my Telegram channel to download this indicator for free. The link is given in the description below the video. Here we have won the trade. So let's wait till we get the other perfect trading setup as per our recommendations. Here is perfect buy trade setup as per our recommendations, because here price close above the 3 moving averages, 3 EMA is over the 5 EMA, both histograms are white. And the price also pull back and touch the 3 EMA. So let's see whether this trade gives us profit or loss. Here we have won the trade. Well guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.